How can I avoid paying for repairs I don't need? You can protect yourself by getting a clear diagnosis, comparing written estimates, and asking for proof before approving any work. Start by asking the repair person to explain what failed, what caused it, and what could happen if you wait. Request photos, test results, or measurements when possible, because evidence is more useful than a scary warning. Get at least 2 written estimates from different companies, and make sure each one lists labor, parts, fees, warranties, and the total price. Ask whether the recommended repair is required for safety or only suggested for better performance. A little-known warning sign is a technician who replaces parts without testing the system, since a new part may not fix the real problem. You can also check the manufacturer's maintenance instructions, because some repairs are actually routine cleaning or adjustments that cost much less. Before work begins, write down that no extra repairs may be done without your approval, and keep the old parts if they are replaced. If the problem is urgent, such as a gas smell, active flooding, exposed electrical wiring, or a serious safety risk, shut off the proper utility if safe and call a qualified professional rather than delaying. One common mistake is choosing the cheapest estimate without checking what it includes, so compare the parts, labor, warranty, and promised results instead of only the final price. Another mistake is accepting a diagnosis based only on a visual inspection, so ask what test confirmed the failure. Be careful when someone says you must decide immediately, because honest contractors usually explain the risk and give you time when the situation is not dangerous. Also, do not sign a blank contract or pay the entire amount up front. Use a detailed agreement and pay according to clearly stated progress points. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bidhomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.